to get in such a stunning, all-together car. This 1965 Thunderbird is one of the most beautiful Indian red Landau Thunderbirds I've seen in a long time. Contrasting red and beige interior. 78,000, gang. Believed to be correct. I'll tell you, believed to be correct. It's just beautiful. Powered by a Whisper Quiet 390 V8 automatic, radio heater, swing away wheel, power windows, power seats. It's just a dream to drive, gang. An absolute dream to drive. Now, as far as the price goes, I wanted to say this, that I work for the seller and I posted going in what he asked me to post, but I just want you to know we're open for reasonable offers. Let's just leave it like that. It's the car is beautiful. I know. But I'll work with the seller on the price end. But gang, what a beautiful example of days gone by. I mean to tell you, I know the car will certify in absolutely mint condition. And take a close look if you really want a nice one. I'll tell you what, I drive her across the United States. Every now and then, that's the rule of thumb that I use. If I would drive it across the United States, that is a car you want to own. This is a car that I'd give a good lube oil filter, give it a safety inspection, fill it with gas, get a bag of potato chips and a pop, and away I'd go. Jim Brinsfield, gang, signing off. Another good day, another good Ford. Take a look.